So hello, welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. Here I am drawing on these black stools, and this one is a Macintosh rose. So that motif is around a lot with stained glass. We're going to try to paint it on these stools. We've also got some paisleys. I love to use paisleys on our stained glass too. We've got some daisies, we've got lines, we've got cherries even, and so this is maybe not a lot of wisdom, but definitely a lot of fun. So hello, it's Wednesday and we're having a Wisdom Wednesday here with Diane, and we are painting her stools in kind of a stained glass fashion. And so we're gonna get a little bit close up here. We've got checkerboards, we've got flowers and dots, and we're just getting started. So if you kind of want your stools to look a little bit like stained glass, then give this a try. Got another one going on here. And I'll show you a little more as we get more color on. So here we are making progress.